Hi, thanks for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of Wash Industries. Today's video is a brand new truck that's going out this week. We have Team Pressure Clean launching their business out of Georgia. Very excited for these guys. They reached out, they took advantage of our Kickstarter package with logo design, custom wrap, custom website, fly them out for the in-person training, marketing material, etc. Very excited for this team. They're very pumped up. They're already building up accounts even prior to having the truck. So I can't wait to see them get out there and start making a name for themselves in their communities. If you're thinking about doing this business and you're shopping around, take advantage of the Kickstarter package. Here at EWI, we build all our components in-house, from those lifters to generators, all the hot water skids, everything on the backside of this truck is built right here, giving you better warranties, better pricing. Take advantage of the logo design, the website, all that good stuff. If you haven't yet, visit our website, ecowashindustries.com, or give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. Again, Greg Aganowski here. Make it a great day.